everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the part 2 of my silica gel drawing of flowers, and this is the final result. Let's take out the flowers one by one and see if it worked or not. I love using silica gel for two main reasons. First, look at this yellow color. It preserves the color in such a beautiful way, which is much better than drying flowers by upside down or drying them by keeping them in between books. The other reason that I love silica gel is it maintains the shape of the flower in such a beautiful way. I like this 3D kind of look because it gives the effect of a natural flower as compared to the pressed technique. Look at this white one. I just love how the textures have stayed on the flowers. The little dots will make such beautiful pair of earrings. What do you think? Is it a fail or is it a success? Also, if you want to know tips and tricks of drying flowers in silica gel, I'll link the video below that I made, and it has all the useful tricks that you can use for drying the flowers in silica gel. And if you are loving the videos, don't forget to like, save and subscribe. It motivates me a lot, and then I can make another video for you. So here are the final colors of the flowers. I just loved it. What do you think? Mention down in the comments.